At Cisco Live is seeing a concept come true. We started down the collaborative path at Cisco literally 7 years ago, with most people in the company not believing this was the right way to go, and all of us having been successful in command and control, and that's not the future at all. The future is going to be built on communities of interest. It's how you can get to access to any data from any device and share that not with a machine or another person in a one-to-one transaction, but share it among a community of interest where you think together. I think this will forever change business models. I think it will forever change entertainment, and it will change every aspect of our lives in ways that we're just starting to imagine. I think what is exciting me here is where last year we talked about that theory, this year you're beginning to see people grasp this is going to happen. We might disagree on the time frame, but I don't think it's a question anymore of if. It's now a question of when. Things. I think you've got to get collaboration. Now, if you're talking about adoption in business, let's talk about that first, then in entertainment second. Like many of the new collaborative approaches, you've got to have role models who do it first, who understand the benefits from it and are able to show substantially what the results were. So able to show the productivity that occurred, able to show the power of the community is so much stronger than a command and control type environment. Able to show the market share gains that they got in terms of market implementation, or the savings that they've got both in terms of travel cost deferred as well as the impact in terms of producing less emissions as a result of that. So I think you're going to see, as that occurs first in companies and we make it easier to use, clearly Cisco is going to attempt to lead here, and that then you'll see others customers take it up and it expand. To the question about the consumer, it is clearly a bandwidth issue, and it's the ease of being able to share that. So we would look to, for example, bring telepresence to the consumer in the next 12 months, which I think will be the start of 3D balancing business and the consumer entertainment segment. Again, don't think of it as video conferencing, think of it as unified communication, video conferencing, common web services all combined in the easy-to-use fashion. So the same concept that I made before, I think you're at the very start of this wave, but there are a couple of hurdles we will get over in the process over the next 3 to 5 years. Once it does take off, however, I think it will move faster than any of the current experts would predict.